how to turn on the pop-up on key press. So every time you tap on a key on your Gboard keyboard, a letter is going to show up like this here, and a single tap would do this. A long press would reveal any other additional letters that could possibly be there. And in order to turn this on your Gboard keyboard, here's where you can go. So if you're about to start typing and your Gboard keyboard pops up like this here, you'll tap on this little setting icon right there. Once in this section, go to where it says Preferences. And within the Preferences section here, you'll see Preferences. And you want to go down the list until you see Pop-up on key press. This is going to give you that little pop-up here. Every time you tap on a key, it's going to show up like this here. And for those of you who want the little tiny symbols to also show up here, you'll go back into the settings, preferences, and go back down again, and you'll see long press for symbols. By turning this on, you will also now see these tiny little symbols that will appear down above each key, not down, above every key right here. So when I now long press the G, I'll get access to the AND symbol. And that's that, like and sub.